How to delete all YouTube comments at once, or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up YouTube on a device. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now next to history, simply tap on view all. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on manage all history. Now wait for some time. Now tap on interactions. Now tap on comments and replies. Now on this page you can find all of your comments on YouTube, but unfortunately you cannot delete all of them at once. But you can delete them individually. Simply tap on cross icon and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.